You were watching your favorite NBA team, the Los Angeles Lakers, play, but you realize something feels off with the court they are playing at. After careful analysis, you told yourself, wait a minute, this is not the Staples Center. What is this Crypto.com arena they are playing at? You quickly get on your phone to look it up to see yourself shocked as the court they are playing in is owned by an emerging name in the crypto market. Hello Internet and welcome to Crypto Cash Out, where we bring you the freshest news in the cryptocurrency world. Hey, I heard that if you hit like on our videos, the crypto you're invested in right now will have a bullish run this year. So, go ahead and do it. Speaking of cryptocurrencies that are having bullish runs, what a year has it been for Crypto.com and the whole market as a whole, as it almost tripled the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies, ending the year with a $2.3 trillion market cap in 2021. But enough about them. You are here to learn about the crypto CRO. Unless you're the biggest fan of the Lakers or Clippers, you probably have never heard of Crypto.com and its coin. The company was founded in 2016 by Chris Marzalek, Raffaello Melo, Gary Orr, and Bobby Bao with the vision of putting cryptocurrencies in every wallet. In 2018, this vision led them to launch their very own coin creatively named Crypto.com coin, but it is shortened to CRO or CRO to avoid a mouthful of words. They also plan to incentivize the users of the platform, as the users can earn cashback when they use the payment feature of the crypto and settle transactions and other exchanges there. Because of the systems that they do, they have been on the rise ever since it was first released in late 2018. Together with its bullish run is the release of their mainnet, Cronos. Cronos is the network that runs along CRO, which aims to scale decentralized finance or DeFi and decentralized applications or DApp ecosystem by providing developers the ability to port apps from Ethereum and Ethereum Virtual Machines or EVM compatible chains. Cronos can also be used for NFTs and in the metaverse. Okay, now that we understand a little bit about the company, let us go back to their coin. They designed CRO to be a decentralized and open-source blockchain which can be used for payment, trading, and other financial services that the company can offer. The coin itself started the year 2021 with a market cap of $1.5 billion and quickly grew to around $13 billion by the end of the year. This excellent performance even got the crypto giants such as Bitcoin and Ethereum beat with a tremendous growth of 1,000% thanks to the moves it made, such as launching $200 million funds for crypto startups. They have also released their very own NFT collection, which may also influence how the price will be in the future. It also had a popularity boost thanks to the announcement that Staples Center, the stadium where the NBA teams of Los Angeles plays, will be renaming itself to the Crypto.com Arena. This renaming of the arena caused the price of CRO to reach its all-time high of almost $1 with $0.9698 around the time it was announced. However, apart from the time, the price of CRO or CRO has significantly dropped and was almost half with the price of $0.4535 at the time of writing this video. Also, the market cap of the coin also dropped to around $11 billion with a total supply of over 25 billion CRO coins that are in circulation these days. Despite all of the unfortunate drops, the movement of the coin is still active, with the amount being traded every day is about $180 million each day. This active trading of the coin is the reason why the market is still alive until this day. With 24/7 smart lines for support, advisors and consultants are always there to help you with concerns regarding your moves with CRO, which contributes to its great ecosystem. Now that we have got the history out of the way, it is finally time to talk about some predictions and technical analysis of Crypto.com coins. The massive growth of CRO makes people hit the air as to why they did not invest in it sooner. And although there has been a slight drop to the price of the coin, many experts still believe in CRO and are willing to be patient to wait and see the full potential of the coin as it reaches greater heights. So, let's see where professionals predict the trend of CRO. For the year 2022, experts see the price of CRO slowly but surely rising. If there are no sudden rises like the one we see when they announce partnership with the NBA, Crypto.com will be an attractive cryptocurrency for people to start with and are set to reach prices around their all-time high. They might even breach the price but just barely reach $0.99. Other price predictions such as the wallet investor sees CRO to be worth over $1.15 before the year ends. Digital Coins gives no break for the price of CRO, as they predict the average to rise but not so much at $0.67 over the course of 2022. The last predictions we have for the year 2022 comes from the website of Price Prediction, as they see the price reaching the price of $0.71, which is not so different from the prediction of digital coin. Assuming that we follow any of the predictions that were made on those websites, we can calculate the minimum and maximum price we can gain if we decide to buy 100 Crow coins and see them grow as the months of 2022 pass by. Assuming any of the prices mentioned are accurate, we can multiply it to 100 to see a minimum cash out of $67 and a maximum of $115 when the year ends, which is not a lot, but we should remember that we are assuming that you buy 100. Imagine if you bought thousands of Crow coins as you see yourself rolling in money like Scrooge McDuck. But what if you're planning all the way for the long term like in the year 2025? Experts believe that Crow coins are good investment plans for the future, as they believe it to have an upward trajectory moving forward with the years. Professionals see the price of Crow to dance around $1.82 with a constant gain throughout the years. For the website Wallet Investor, they predict the price of Crow coins to be bullish with approximately a 300% increase. This means that their price will dance around $1.5 rate. Keeping up with the tradition of being mean with prices, Digital Coin is once again not so kind with the price of Crow, as they see it barely breaching the $1 mark when 2025 comes. But Price Prediction won't give anyone panic at the disco, as they have high hopes for Crow in 2025 with a price of $2.16. This means that 100 Crow coins that you bought today will have a minimum price of $106 and a maximum price of $216 when you wait long enough for 2025. This means that you can essentially double the price at the very least that you paid for when you decide to buy the coins today. Now, with all the predictions being said, what can we say about the future of Crypto.com tokens? For one, and the most obvious of them all, is that its trajectory sees it to have a bullish long-term run. With how they are growing in popularity thanks to the partnership with the Lakers Stadium, it is safe to assume that they will hit new heights sometime soon. And with more and more people being interested in trading for crypto, Crow coins are a safe option for them because of the security Crypto.com offers for their money. Not only that, but the network and system of Crypto.com is secure and one of the best in business because of the previously mentioned advisors and consultants that are always there to correct false forecasts and trends of the cryptocurrency. They also have a trading line that is always up for users to have queries about the transactions they have made. Moreover, the token is also safe as it was built on the Ethereum blockchain and is in accordance with the ERC-20 standard. Their security is what some may argue is second to none and is above the standards of the industry, as you are assured of an exchange that supports the migration of the tokens. So, if you do decide to take your chances and follow your gut, you can purchase and exchange them with Bittrex, KuCoin, and Huobi Global, which are some of the not so known places you can try. Moreover, there is also an overview of the chain of exchanges that is happening within the network that can be accessed in Binance and Huobi Global, which will help you compare and contrast the signs and calculations. You might want to ask if investing in Crow coins is a good investment, and to that I can say that we may never know. But sometimes it is better to do so rather than regret not making the choice in the first place when you had the best chances of gaining. Price predictions are almost always accurate, but there is still the chance for a fluke, as there are many external factors that may affect the growth and development of a crypto. But we heard that if you really want to swing for the long term, there are predictions that see the price of Crow to dance around $14 to $15, which might interest you. But again, that's just a theory and we are not financial experts, as we only seek to inform you about the prices and background about Crow coins, and what we said in this video is not advice. So, please do your own research and keep track of the prices, as it will really help you in the long run. Also, since you made it this far in the video, you might like our other videos as well, like when we talk about the Pi Network mainnet in the previous video, so go check it out. Like the video and subscribe to be updated as to when we will release our next video. Lastly, comment your thoughts down below if you think Crow will balloon to a crypto giant soon for a chance at the shoutout giveaway. Until next time, thanks for watching, have fun cashing out!